Good morning everyone. In another video in HTML, we learn about font tags. We are using here three font tags: font face, font size and font color. Font face is change the style of font. Size sets the size of font and the color it set the color of the font. Which color you want to be here in a font. Now we start in Notepad. First we write HTML, then head, title. Next title, we will be given the title here, font tag. Then close title, close head tag. Now start our main tag, body tag. Busy color yellow. Now start with font face. Face I am using here Arial black, double quotes, then size 4, double quotes close, and color green. Close. Hello friends. I am using here p tag for making a paragraph. Welcome to HTML. Then I am using here a BR tag. BR for break. Join this class. And now close our font tag also. It's a container tag. It's having a starting tag and closing tag also. Then close body tag and close HTML. Remember students, BR tag is an empty tag. It's not a container tag. Always remember container tag have starting and closing tag, and empty tag only having starting tag. There is no closing tag. Now after the making your file, you can see the result and tell me what the output has come. So hope you enjoy and understand. If you have any query, then you can ask to me. Have a good day. Thank you.